Heated discussions filled the Emmons County Courthouse this morning with one thing on everyone's mind: masks. Here's KX News reporter Robert Sir.
Emmons County is feeling the impacts of the coronavirus. From Linton to Hazleton and all points in between, cases of the coronavirus are out of control. Saying they're, quote, struggling big time, leaders of health systems and hospitals across the county pleaded with the Emmons County Commission Tuesday morning to mandate masks to help slow the spread of COVID-19.
The current situation is overwhelming not only the Linton Hospital but also the Strasburg Care Center. There is a concern that if action is not taken on a county and city level in Emmons County, that the state could mandate more restrictive measures which would negatively affect our schools and our businesses.
If you don't know, Emmons County has the highest per capita case rate in the entire country. In addition to the mandate, medical experts also proposed establishing a task force for the county and limiting gatherings to 50 or less people. Despite everything the data shows, residents spoke out against the requirement of masks.
Residents of our county are wise enough that they can make their correct decisions for themselves and their family members on whether or not to wear a mask and whether or not to attend or participate in an event, eat at a restaurant, or make purchases at local businesses.
After nearly an hour of back and forth discussions, including about how mask mandates were rejected by the Linton and Fargo City Commissions, the Emmons County Commission decided to take no action and allow their residents to make the choice for themselves. That decision was not supported by SARA Newton, Linton Hospital's chief medical officer.
I will admit I am quite disappointed, and I think that one of the misconceptions that's being conveyed is that this is about personal liberty. And if this were about seatbelts, I totally agree. But when speaking about masks, it's not about you protecting yourself, it's about you protecting your neighbor. So this is not about personal liberty, it's about protecting the people around you.
She adds the hospital is very close to having a bed shortage. And with hospitals in Bismarck and Fargo near capacity, those people may have to be transported all the way to Sioux Falls. Commissioner ERIN MAGRUM made a strong argument against masks at the meeting.
We had previous cities, Fargo, Bismarck, the other counties with similar situations agree that the mandates aren't what their folks want. And I think Emmons County fell in that similar situation.
Commissioners also said any mask mandate would be nearly impossible to enforce. Reporting for KX News in Linton, I'm Robert Sir.
And the North Dakota Department of Health reported Emmons County had 6 new positive cases on Monday.